I can't believe what I just discovered. In the vast ocean, where secrets lie hidden beneath the waves, a simple day turns into an adventure for our intrepid duo, Luna the mermaid and Tiki the turtle. They stumble upon a mysterious, barnacle-encrusted box that promises to unveil secrets long forgotten. Luna, with her shimmering tail and adventurous spirit, is driven by her insatiable curiosity, while Tiki, the wise old turtle, carries the wisdom of the ages in his shell. Their journey begins as they approach this enigma. The ocean is a place of endless mystery, where the sands of time have buried countless secrets. Today, Luna and Tiki are on the verge of uncovering one such mystery. Luna, with her hair flowing like the sea itself, notices something odd on the ocean floor. "Tiki, look at this," she exclaims, pointing towards a box covered in barnacles. Tiki, with his deep-set eyes and slow, deliberate movements, approaches cautiously. "It's been here for a long time," he observes, his voice carrying the weight of centuries. As they work together to pry open the box, the tension mounts. The lid creaks, revealing a compartment filled with items that speak of another era. Inside, they find an ancient map, a compass with a cracked glass, and a small, locked diary. Luna's eyes light up with excitement. "This could lead us to treasures untold," she says, her voice bubbling with enthusiasm. Tiki, ever the voice of reason, suggests, "We must tread carefully. The sea guards its secrets well." The adventure unfolds as they decipher the map, leading them through underwater caves, past coral reefs, and into the shadows of forgotten shipwrecks. Luna's agility and Tiki's knowledge guide them, but not without challenges. They encounter currents that pull at their resolve, and at one point, Luna's tail gets caught in some seaweed, requiring Tiki's help to free her. Each obstacle they overcome brings them closer to the truth. Finally, they reach their destination, an ancient underwater temple where the mystery deepens. The diary, when unlocked, reveals the tale of a lost civilization, its people, and their connection to the stars. The realization hits Luna and Tiki. They are not just exploring a physical space, but delving into the history of their world. The takeaway from this adventure isn't just about the treasures or the map, but about the journey itself. Luna and Tiki learn that every mystery in the ocean holds a story, a lesson, or a piece of history waiting to be rediscovered. Every box, every map, every relic, Luna reflects, tells us something about who we are and where we come from. As they return to their coral home, the box now a symbol of their adventure, Luna and Tiki understand that the true treasure is the knowledge they've gained and the bond they've strengthened. The ocean, with all its mysteries, has taught them that sometimes the most valuable discoveries are the ones that connect us to our past and to each other.